Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You already know what it is. It is a new trying new to me. I just told you you know what it is, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It is a new trying new to me makeup video. If you guys have not seen one of these before, basically I am trying products that are new to me. Okay, they might have been on the market for years, but guess what? It's my first time trying it, so it's new to me. And some of these things really are like new. Like I just got them in the mail. So if you guys want to see what they are, see how they work on my face, then let's go. Actually, some of these aren't new. Like you guys have seen them on my face before, but still, let's go. So the first thing I have here is from Revlon. They did a Wonder Woman collection. So this is the bag that comes in. Cute, you know, Wonder Woman theme. The book. What's in here? So there's a glow pot. There are some lip products, but what we're gonna focus on today is the eyeshadow palettes. I like small eyeshadow palettes. I don't like when they're like this small, because then you're like really, you're really limited on what you're doing with your eyes. So let's open it and then see what we come up with. So we're gonna keep it real simple today because it's a simple palette and I kind of want to match my outfit. I don't think I've ever tried Revlon eyeshadow, so you know that'll be a first. I'm gonna take this orange shade right here and place that right in here. Okay, she's giving me a little. Okay, I held the palette up and thought it had a mirror and was looking like right through it, like, oh no, there's no mirror in this palette. Colourpop got you too comfortable. Okay, I don't know what you thought this was. Well, you know, let's move on. I'm gonna take this shade as my lid color. Now, I will say that shimmer feels nice in the pan. What is she? Oh, okay. Oh, I see some. It's Revlon, so at least you know it's affordable. Like this should not be more than $10. Watch, does it have the price in the, watch me Google the price and it comes out to like $20. I swear if this is more than $10, I'm knocking everything over. Revlon. $15. Don't buy this for $15. Well, let me finish the eyeshadow look. I'm just gonna throw this brown shade in the corner. Let me tell y'all, you would be unhappy, okay, if you spent $15 on this. Like, it shows up. I've tried worse, but don't. Well, maybe if you're a lighter skin tone, you'll like it better because you saw how dark that brown was in the pan compared to on my face. So I'm gonna move on. I got this in the mail from NYX. Look at that, it says, "You girl too much." You should follow me on Instagram or Twitter at that handle if you don't already, just saying. And it's just their new Epic liners that come in color, and then they have the original black one. I want to use the original black one, but I also want to figure out how to use one of these colors, where I'm going to use it. Let's figure it out together. Well, you know what I mean. So I'm thinking, why not do a little inner corner coloring? Okay, I liked the new color liners. They're very sturdy. So I think if you, one, do more of those graphic liner looks, it'll help you be more precise. And two, if liquid liner is a little more intimidating because it's liquid and get messy easier, then you'd probably like these. Let's move on. This next thing is also from NYX. They've come out with a lot of things in the last few months. I am very late to the party. This is their Bare With Me Sunscreen Daily Moisturizing Primer with Cannabis Salvia Seed Oil. Okay, it's locked, yes. Oh, it came out white. I'm not sure what I was expecting. What is this? Off pink. Does it smell like sunscreen? It kind of smells like sunscreen, but like you have to like really stress your nose to smell it. Actually, once you start blending it out, you smell it a whole lot more. Yes, it smells like sunscreen. And then I have another primer. This is from Thrive Cosmetics. It's their new Illuminating primer. If you guys remember, I did the video on their CC cream last year during Foundation Hunt Week. I'm doing a post for them on Instagram, so I had to try this beforehand, so this technically isn't new to me, but I want to announce it, I guess, in this video because it's what I've been wearing in the last ever since you've seen the videos with me in this bob. This is the primer that I've been wearing, so I want to do a video like letting you guys know that. Listen, she's cute. She's a cute little thing, especially coming from me, someone who has oily skin. You know, illuminating primers, you know, I proceed with caution, but you know, like hours later, my face is still like, I don't look like the Becca no pigment foundation after 3 hours with this. This also has a citrus scent. Yes, that's how I would describe it. Same thing goes for foundations. Technically not new to me or y'all, but it's a new shade, and it's again what you've been seeing ever since you've seen the videos with me in this bob, so I wanted to point it out in a video. It is the I was about to say new. It is the Beauty Blender Bounce foundation. When I was in California and Anthony did my makeup, this is the foundation that he used. I don't know if I asked him what shade he used. That probably would have helped, but I did a foundation hunt on it during 12 days of foundation hunt. I think I was just kind of on it because I don't think the color was right. I think the color might have been too orange or something like that. A couple months ago, Beauty Blender sent 2 shades over for me to try. Neither one was my shade, so they sent over this shade, which is 4.40, and that's the one that I've been using since, so I wanted to, you know, point that out in a video. Where's a brush so I can put this on? I've learned to not question any of Anthony's recommendations. If Anthony says it's a banger, it's a banger. You should just go ahead and buy it. These are new face palettes from Jouer. This one is champagne and, oh no, they're the same thing. So what are the names to know the difference? Oh, this is Sweet Cheeks, and then this is Cheeky Crush. So this is what Sweet Cheeks looks like. And then I'm guessing Cheeky Crush is the darker version. That's what this one looks like. I already used bronzer, but I could go back over. But yeah, I'm gonna do that and then use maybe both of them as blush. Let's see. I will give this to Jouer. They do blush, lip products, and eyeshadow products very well. Complexion products they should probably stay away from. You're not there yet. I have here the new Urban Decay Lash Freak mascara. I believe this is like $25, and I told you guys I was gonna test it out to see if you need to be spending $25 on a mascara. I'm just gonna use this on my bottom lash line. For lashes, I actually bought these. These are from Princesslocs, which is also where I got this wig. These are the Princesslocs lashes in the style, I don't know. I will have it in the description because it's not on the box, but this is what they look like. And Colourpop has new lip oils. This is from their Wild Nothing, I believe it's called, collection. This is Hot Shot. I don't believe they're supposed to like give you pigment. I think they're just supposed to be, you know, like nourishing things. So let's see what this color does. Okay, yeah, see, it gives you a little something, but like your lips are not going to be the peach color that it was. So that is it for everything I'm putting on my face today. Like I said, the primer, foundation are not new. They were just current repeats that I wanted to, you know, formally show on my channel. Out of the new things that I put on my face, I would say the eyeliner and the blushes are what stand out to me the most. The eyeliner, you know, like I said, pigmented, easy to work with. Also the blushes, pigmented, you know, had to tone it down a little bit. That's the bright side when your hair is going to cover up the side of your face when you go a little too deep with contour, bronzer, or blush. Oh, also the lip oils, those are nice. Like I said, not like, don't expect to get, where did I put it down? Don't expect to get this type of pigment on your lips. It's just going to give you a little sheen, a little something. But it does feel nourishing on the lips. Yeah, that's kind of, I guess, you know, the NYX sunscreen primer, you know, at least under makeup, it looks nice. I'll let you guys know how it wears throughout the day under makeup. but I wasn't really feeling, you know, the eyeshadow palette. And find out it's $15. Okay. If you try it out, let me know how you like it. And then the eyeliner again is just kind of like, okay, you're there. That's where I am with that. You're there. Did I try anything else new today? Oh, the lashes. These are big girl lashes. Okay, these are big girl lashes. They're bigger than what I would usually wear, but I'm not mad at them. You know, I feel like if I turn to the side, you can really see just how long they are. But I'm not. I feel like we're not at the point of, you know, like what is it, 25 lashes? Is that what it's called? Yes, the AliExpress ones. You know, I feel like we're not there yet. They're different for me, so I think it might take some time to get used to. But at least in like this look, you know, I think they're cute. And that is it for this video. I feel like even makeup brands are just kind of like, well, we're here we are when it comes to makeup, because the releases, they just haven't, they ain't hitting the same. You know, I feel like even the brands, it's not hitting the same for them. I've received a lot more skincare packages than I've wanted to. When I think of what to purchase, I've gravitated more towards purchasing skincare than I have makeup. So again, that's probably why there's not that much newness to try right now. But let me know if there's anything that you guys want me to check out, anything you guys want a video on in the comments down below. Let me know if you have any of the things I tried in this video down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, guess where, down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.